LG has revamped its smartphone strategy this year, vowing not to release new devices just to respond to competitors. Thus, the much-anticipated G7 has apparently been cancelled or rebuilt from scratch, according to past rumors. That, however, hasn't stopped it from leaking in full at MWC today. The G7 was codenamed Neo, and it features what's probably going to be 2018's top trend in the Android world, a screen notch up top. Yes, it's another device inspired by the iPhone X in this regard, even though the notch is intelligently hidden by the software at times, as evidenced by the picture above. Speaking of that, LG has opted to move the clock to the left of the notch, leaving just the signal and battery level indicators on the right. We're wondering what happens when new notifications arrive. Anyway, the 6-inch OLED display has rounded corners too and a decently small bottom bezel. Its resolution is a whopping with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, exactly like the iPhone X. That makes for 572 ppi pixel density, edging past the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9 which have 570 ppi. There's an 8MP wide-angle selfie camera in the notch, while on the back you get two 16MP snappers, both with f1.6 aperture. The main sensor has OIS, while the secondary one doesn't. The fingerprint scanner is right underneath the dual camera module. The G7 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, and comes with either 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The battery is a 3000 mAh cell, which seems a bit on the low side for how big and pixel dense that screen is. Sound quality should be improved by use of DTS X technology as well as the boombox feature, which allows the speakers to play music at a stronger resonance when the device is placed on a flat surface. Earlier this month a report from the usually reliable Evan Blass, aka SlashLeaks, told us that LG's next flagship is codenamed Judy and will arrive in June. This will allegedly not be marketed as the G7, which means the G series is probably coming to a close. Judy may in fact be what LG has deemed the replacement for the cancelled G7 shown here. The camera system on the back seems to be shared between the two, though, and even the boombox feature is rumored for the Judy as well. On the other hand, Judy is said to employ a new MLCD and screen tech, and not OLED, with a 6.118:9 panel capable of eye-searing 800 nit brightness. It will also have the Snapdragon 845 at the helm, as you'd expect from a flagship in 2018.